Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a new Snapchat account step by step clearly. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. In the search bar, type Snapchat and select the official app by Snap Incorporated. Tap Install or Get and wait for the download to complete. When the app is installed, tap Open to launch Snapchat. On the welcome screen, tap Sign Up to start creating a new account. Read the basic information prompt and tap Continue if you agree. Enter your first name and last name. Then tap Sign Up and Accept. Choose your birthday carefully because it can affect account features. Tap Continue after selecting the correct date of birth. Create a unique username that you can remember and that looks professional. If the username is unavailable, adjust it and try again until it is accepted. Tap Continue to move to the password screen. Create a strong password with letters, numbers, and at least 8 characters. Tap Continue after confirming your password is set. Choose whether you want to sign up with your phone number or email address. If you pick phone number, enter it and tap Continue to receive a verification code. Type the verification code exactly as it arrives via SMS. Then confirm. If you pick email, enter a valid email address you can access and tap Continue. Check your email for the verification message and follow the link if Snapchat requests it. On the next screen, Snapchat may ask to find friends, and you can allow or skip this. If prompted to add a profile photo, you can take one now or skip and do it later. Tap Next to continue through any optional setup screens. Allow notifications if you want alerts for messages, snaps, and friend requests. Set your privacy preferences later in settings, but keep the account secured now. Go to Settings and enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Review your username, phone, or email in settings to ensure they are correct. Start using Snapchat by exploring the camera screen, Chat tab, and Stories. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.